Welcome back to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week we're talking about building a strong referral network and growing your customer base. In the automotive service industry, word-of-mouth recommendations can be a powerful tool for expanding your customer base. As a service advisor, building a strong referral network is crucial for attracting new customers and growing your business. By establishing strong relationships with customers, industry partners, and community members, you can harness the power of referrals to drive growth. In today's video, we will explore the importance of building a strong referral network and share strategies to help automotive service advisors expand their customer base. Trust and credibility. Referrals are built on trust and credibility. When a customer refers your services to their friends, family, or colleagues, they are vouching for the quality of your work and the trust they have in your expertise. By consistently delivering exceptional service and exceeding customer expectations, you build a solid reputation that encourages referrals. Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the foundation of a strong referral network. Focus on providing exceptional service experiences that leave customers satisfied and delighted. Communicate clearly, address their concerns, and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your services to others, amplifying your referral network. Nurturing relationships. Building strong relationships with your existing customers is key to growing your referral network. Take the time to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Stay in touch through personalized follow-ups, thank you notes, or service reminders. By nurturing these relationships, you create a bond that encourages customers to refer your services to their acquaintances. Engage with industry partners. Developing relationships with industry partners can be mutually beneficial for generating referrals. Collaborate with local auto dealerships, parts suppliers, and other automotive businesses. Build a network of trusted partners who can refer customers to your services and vice versa. Establishing these partnerships not only expands your customer base, but also strengthens your industry connections. Community involvement. Engaging with the local community is an effective way to grow your referral network. Sponsor local events, participate in community initiatives, and support charitable organizations. By actively contributing to the community, you increase brand visibility and foster positive associations with your business. Satisfied community members are more likely to recommend your services to others. Referral incentives. Encourage referrals by offering incentives to customers who refer others to your business. This could include discounts on future services, referral bonuses, or loyalty rewards. By incentivizing referrals, you create an extra motivation for customers to spread the word about your exceptional service. Additionally, expressing gratitude for referrals strengthens the relationship with existing customers. Request and showcase testimonials. Ask satisfied customers for testimonials that highlight their positive experiences with your service. Display these testimonials prominently on your website, social media platforms, or other promotional materials. Testimonials act as powerful social proof, inspiring trust and confidence in potential customers. Positive feedback from existing customers can significantly influence new customers' decision-making process. Building a strong referral network is an essential strategy for automotive service advisors to grow their customer base. By implementing the tips and strategies presented in this video, service advisors can harness the power of referrals to drive business growth. Remember, referrals are a testament to your quality of service and the relationships you cultivate. By delivering exceptional experiences and fostering strong connections, you can expand your customer base and establish your business as a trusted provider in the automotive service industry.